Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet ladies handbag designs model. Let's start the video. Crochet ladies handbag designs, stylish and handmade accessory. A crochet ladies handbag is a handcrafted bag made using crochet techniques, featuring intricate patterns, textures, and styles. These handbags can be designed in various shapes, sizes, and colors, making them unique, fashionable, and functional. The features of a crochet handbag: materials used: yarn types, cotton, jute, wool, or acrylic for durability. Hooks: different crochet hook sizes depending on the stitch pattern. Lining: fabric lining for added strength and a professional finish. Handles and straps: wooden, leather, or crocheted straps. Closures: zippers, buttons, magnetic snaps, or drawstrings. Popular crochet handbag designs: tote bags, large rectangular or square shapes, perfect for shopping, beach, or casual outings. Sturdy stitches like single crochet or basket weave. Crossbody bags, long shoulder strap for easy carrying. Compact designs with flap or zip closer, textured patterns like bubble stitch or granny square. Clutch bags, small, handheld designs for formal occasions, embellished with beads, tassels, or floral patterns. Uses tight stitches for a structured look. Drawstring bags, soft, flexible shape with a chained closure, often made with lace or openwork crochet patterns, suitable for casual outings or small essentials. Shoulder bags, medium-sized with a comfortable strap, features granny skirts, shell stitch, or chevron designs. Can be decorated with tassels or fringes. Popular crochet stitches for handbags: single crochet, dense, strong fabric for durability. Half double crochet, slightly looser but still sturdy. Shell stitch, feminine and decorative look. Granny skirt, vintage and colorful designs. Bobble stitch adds a 3D texture for uniqueness. Customization and embellishments, beads and sequins, and sparkle for an elegant touch. Tassels and pom-poms enhance the boho chic aesthetic. Leather straps for a stylish travel contrast. Floral appliques give a feminine and artistic touch. Lining and pockets improve functionality and strength. How to choose the right crochet handbag occasion: tortoise for daily use, closest for formal events. Size: small for essentials, large for work or shopping. Stretchability: thick yarn for texture, soft yarn for flexibility. Comfort: lightweight and easy to carry designs. Creating a crochet handbag requires careful planning, the right materials, and attention to detail. Whether you are making a bag for yourself or as a gift, these tips will help you achieve a beautiful, functional designs. First, choose the right yarn. Cotton yarn, best for durability and structure. Jute or raffia, ideal for rustic and beach style bags. Acrylic or wool, soft but less sturdy, best for decorative closets. T-shirt yarn, thick and strong, great for modern structured bags. Tip: is a sturdy yarn to prevent sagging and stretching over time. Use strong and tight stitches, single crochet, most travel for bag bases and sides. Half double crochet adds flexibility while maintaining strength. Waistcoat stitch mimics a neat look and adds density. Basket weave or bubble stitch great for textured designs. They avoid loose stitches as they can make the bag weak and stretch out over time. Add a lining for strength. Use cotton or canvas fabric to reinforce the bag. Sew the lining by hand or machine before attaching it to the crochet bit. Add pockets inside for better organization. A lining prevents items from poking through and helps maintain the bag's shape. Reinforce the handles and straps. Crocheted straps use tight stitches or double layers for durability. Leather or wooden handles add elegance and strength. Metal chain straps perfect for a chic modern look. Tip: if using crocheted straps, insert cord or rub inside for extra support. Use proper closures, zippers, best for security and a polished look. Magnetic snaps, easy to use and stylish. Button on loop, great for boho or vintage style bags. Drawstring, works well for casual bags or backpacks. Tip: if adding a zipper, sew it onto the lining first for a neat finish. Try different bag size and shape to find your favorite style. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!